I'm Nathan from Lithe Audio, and today I'll be showing you how to set up a pair of Bluetooth ceiling speakers. A pair of speakers. So what I'll show you first off, which is the master speaker, which you can tell which has built-in amplifier and everything on the bass, nice blue bass, and the passive, which should be on the bottom here. Now with these speakers, best installation of course if you have a larger room, so kitchen, diner or bedroom ensuite for that full stereo effect. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to connect these speakers together, power it, sync it and play it. So when you buy a pair, what comes with of course is the master and passive, and you get 5 meter of speaker cable. You can get 10, but of course it all depends on the size of your room. So I'll show you how simple it is for these to connect. So again, you need to make sure that obviously you have the red and the black, which you can see here on the side of the speaker, which are located on these simple clips, which have the red and the black. I'll just show you, put these in. So up, put it in and release, and the same again. I'll do the same for the passive. So again, making sure red to red and black to black. And release, and the same again. So obviously, as you can see here on the table, it's very simple and very quick to install. So the passive is simply copying what the master is doing to give you that full stereo sound. And now I'm going to power and show you exactly how quick it is. So next I'm going to show you how to power it, sync it, play it. So there's one of two ways that you can power the speaker. You can plug straight in to a plug socket, or you can wire it into your lighting circuit. Now I'm going to simply plug in into the base of the master. Now you can do one of two things for these speakers. So you have stereo and mono. As you heard there was a beep indicating that the speaker is powered on. Now if you're installing within a kitchen/diner, you'll want to have it on stereo mode. So you'll have the master speaker is your left channel and your passive is your right. If you're installing in a bedroom bathroom, you want to have it on mono. So it comes out of both channels as you're in separate rooms, and the switch is located on the base of the speaker. So if you simply go onto your Bluetooth settings and you'll be able to pair that speaker. If you have multiple speakers in your home, we recommend obviously of course changing the name of the speaker so you don't get confused which one's what. And this can be done via our resellers, and you simply ask them how this is done. So now I'm going to go onto my settings, connect, and that's it. So thank you for watching. I'm Nathan from Lithe Audio. If you've liked this video, please leave a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again.